Yeah, well, I'm kind of a late bloomer. I worked a year out of high school, and then I went 2 years to vocational school as a draftsman. I worked 4 years as a draftsman, then went back to college for 4 years and got an engineering degree. And fresh out of college, I came to work for KEB. I believe there was about 10 of us at the time in the company. Hello, my name is Leo Honetschlager. I've worked at KEB since 1990, and I've had some experiences come and go here. KEB is unique in that it has the ability to offer complete solutions now in the controls, the power transmission, the motor drives, and custom solutions at the same time. I've hired 2 of our current vice presidents. I've hired as students who went on to become full-time, and they're still with us. When I started, Germany had just started working on electronic AC motor drives. So it was a brand new product, and there was really no sales. We did hire a few people, but it was primarily mechanical clutches and brakes. And everyone had to wear multiple hats. I've done, at the time I was drafting, engineering, quality control, help with some assembly and manufacturing, engineering. We were paper and pencil on a drafting board in the beginning. Germany at the time did have a 2-dimensional CAD program they were running. It was called ME10. It was a Unix-based tablet CAD system. When I was hired, I was primarily the engineering manager, they said. I was doing everything needed to ramp up production. We had completed units from Germany, and we would have a hard time selling them because they were never what the customer wanted. So we decided to take them apart, stock the parts, and build to order what the customer wanted. It was an evolution of standard product that needed to be adapted to a customer solution. So it started out small. It was a special shaft or a special flange, and then it migrated into completely special products. The current building, I believe we moved into in 2004. The previous building was a leased building, and we just put up a few walls inside. But this building was designed by an architect and a few of our management team. It was exciting to move into our own building that we actually built from the ground up. And we had foresight enough to plan for the future, so we had growth potential. We've adapted and gone with controls, and the fact that we are somewhat of a custom product-driven company keeps us agile on our feet and allows us to stay current with the technology so that we're not stuck selling just our old product. We're going heavily into permanent magnet brakes, heavily into spring set fail-safe brakes. Now we're moving into electric vehicle directions. I think we're staying busy and we're staying current, and we've got a crop of new young engineers that are very good. I like their work, and I think we'll be satisfied moving ahead. We're expanding the building now, and I see nothing but growth in the near future for us.